What's poppin', YouTube? I'm doing trade binder update. It's mostly the same cards in the last binder. A couple new photon stuff, but I'm not gonna put this in my description. What I am gonna tell you is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for 2 Gigamantises, not Gigamantis, that Insector Mantis, that one, 2 swords, 1 Dragonfly, and like Armageddon Knight, you know, the stuff for the Insectors. So, here we go, the regular page from last time. That's a common. 3 Summon the Monks common. That's Lavrier for trade. DP Ultra. My rules is you have to send first. You have to. I don't care if I'm coming to you. You have to send first because somebody scanned me. So from now on, I'm never gonna send first. 2 Utopias and a Blade Armor. 3 Card Troopers. 2 Drag Downs. Photon Veil. Scholar. Ultra. A Super. Fusion, that Gravekeeper, 2 Photon Sanctuaries, this for the sectors, 2 supers, 1 common Bubbleman, 2 common Polarizations, Photon Veil, 3 Chaos Sorcerers, E-Hero stuff, Formula Synchron.
Plus, I can use the reward money to buy some disguises.
Is there anything that y'all see? 2 Ultra Galaxy Eyes. Please set a comment, Bubbleman. Chicken.
It's time for another Roger fashion montage.
Just tell me if there's anything here that y'all want to trade for, and we could work something out. But my wants are Insector stuff. My wants are Insect stuff. 5 common Dark Arms, common Mirror Force.
So, you never told me. Who's playing in this baseball game, Dad?
I'm not your dad. You have your own dad.
Actually, we haven't talked in a few years.
Oh, see, I love this card.
I've been a little trouble, and, well, he found out it was really disappointing. Are you and your dad close?
Torbus.
Who the hell are you?
Torbus is for trade.
Yeah. Good. What the?
And I'm looking for a tour guide.
That's my dad!
Okay.
What are you doing?
There's 2 of them. I have 2 of these.
What's your problem?
Ghost Galaxy Eyes.
You know it's awkward.
10 Microcosmoses. They go to none of this stuff is for trade because I'm trying to build a deck.
I don't care about the money. I just want to get just.
Oh, and if you have any of these, I want them. Just send them. Sea Lancers, Mass Changes, OTR, Emergency Teleport, and Super. Veiler, the Super Veiler. 2 OT of these. Ultras of Dark Soul, another Blade Armor.
Well, Roger, I guess it's just you and me.
Cyber.
And now it's just me. Wait, how about
Compulse, Super.
Try jogging, you gross bowling pin.
Gross bowling pin.
Yo, you
Super Book of Moon.
That was Jeff. He hopped on the train.
Oh, Jeff, huh? Well, you tell your boy this still counts as 1.
MST.
2 left. They love me. So I took the train to Raleigh, and now I'm at my dad's farm.
A whole Gravekeeper deck. If somebody looking for Gravekeepers, I have a whole Gravekeeper build right here, and yes, it is for trade. Even got the Wonder Wands. I know it's not supposed to be 3, but I got 3 of those. Super Dark World Dylan.
I know Stan. I know Jesse.
and this photon stuff. If there's anything in here, oh, this is common stuff. And this E-Hero right here, Dandy, whatever his name is. If there's anything that y'all seen or like, let me know. But I'm just looking for Insecta stuff, so holla at me. Alright, y'all? Y'all know the name. I'm not going to say it. Holla.